What you lighting there?
I'm trying to suck an egg into a bottle.
You are.
Yes, I am. No?
What happens? The egg doesn't fit. It doesn't fit.
And it goes!
It doesn't fit.
Yay!
Oh my goodness. Oh, you can just shake that right out of there, can't you? Go ahead, shake it out. Shake it out on the counter. You can't get it out?
Nope.
What happened?
The fire took up all the oxygen and sucked the egg in.
No. How are you going to get the egg out?
Cut it.
No.
What?
How are you going to do it?
Blow it.
I don't know. You tell me.
Shake it out.
If the egg went in, how come the egg can't come out?
Because of fire.
Oh.
It can't come out.